Instagram Collab Post, a complete guide. Instagram has evolved into one of the most popular apps on the Meta platform, especially with the introduction of Instagram Collab Posts. This feature offers numerous benefits, including boosting engagement, visibility, and increasing brand awareness while aiding in follower growth and enhancing brand credibility. What is an Instagram Collab Post? An Instagram Collab Post is a co-authored post, reel, or story created by 2 or more accounts. Unlike a regular feed post, up to 6 accounts can share ownership of a single piece of content. Once created, the post appears on the profiles of all collaborators, reaching a wider audience across all their respective followers. This feature ensures shared visibility and collective engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares, making it an invaluable tool for partnerships and influencer collaborations. Difference between collabs, tagging, and mentions. It's essential to distinguish between collaboration posts, tagging, and mentions. Collabs involve mutual consent between users to co-author posts, appearing on all collaborators' feeds. Tagging adds a user's handle to a post but doesn't grant them co-author status. Mentions occur in captions or comments, allowing one user to reference another, increasing visibility but not necessitating collaboration. Benefits of Instagram Collab Posts. Utilizing Instagram Collab Posts can significantly enhance your social media strategy. Here are the primary benefits. 1. Reach a wider audience. Using the Instagram Collab feature allows you to combine audiences from different brands, boosting your visibility. This collaboration helps build a stronger community by tapping into a broader audience base, improving engagement rates, and increasing opportunities for interaction. 2. Expand your follower base. Collaborating with others on Instagram lets you tap into their follower base, making it easier to grow your brand. Co-authored posts can attract new audiences, leading to more followers on IG. This process enhances your overall network and encourages organic growth in the long run. 3. Diverse content creation. Partnering with fellow users enables creative teamwork, simplifying content creation, and providing your audience with a fresh perspective. This collaboration can take the form of various content formats and styles, helping you stand out in a crowded space and building solid credibility. 4. Increase brand partnerships. Collab posts open you to new users who may not have been aware of your brand before. This exposure creates valuable connections and partnerships that can lead to future collaborative endeavors, further enhancing your brand's reach and influence. Conclusion. In summary, Instagram Collab posts are a powerful feature that enables users to enhance their content strategy, engage with a larger audience, and foster creativity through collaboration. By using this feature effectively, you can boost your visibility, expand your follower base, and create diverse content while building brand credibility. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.